Artificial rice extruder or production line is the hot selling machine in Sunpring. Its main process includes mixing, conveying, extrusion, vibrating, drying, and cooling. The final products of this line can be used to produce artificial rice, reconstituted rice. The raw materials adopts broken rice, corn, millet, oats, buckwheat, bean, starch as main ingredient, and some other vitamin and mineral as part of ingredient. The extruder has more advantages like high productivity, longer screw length, good waterproof, more wear-resistant and self-cleaning function. Main markets are India, Iran, Turkey, etc.